How are you on this beautiful day?
Good morning, everyone.
So it's a little on the cloudier side with a little bit of overcast. A whopping 92 degrees. So this little bit of overcast is actually welcome. You know, you get that little bit of a sweat. But it's a beautiful thing when you ride and you get that wind blowing. Hey, how you doing? We're going to be cruising out to Freedom Fest. We're going to try to keep our yakking to a slight. So anyway, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you today?
Doing all right. You know. Hey, how you doing? Okay. That's it. How you doing? We had a windshield. Looks
Mr.
pretty
Sexy.
good.
Mr.
Yeah,
Sexy's got some
a
bling on
windshield.
him.
Looks good. We didn't add the windshield for so much for the wind because the wind really didn't bother you, right?
No.
I mean, it was a beautiful thing. Hey, ladies waving to you.
Yeah, I waved. Kids are waving. Cute. Are we turning here or no?
Yeah. So anyway, we didn't add the windshield for, you know, the wind. It was mostly for looks, and then it was also to protect that cluster because the cluster, it has a cover on it, but man, if a rock came up, it would probably fuck that thing all up because it was kind of thinner. With the windshield on there, it will protect it a little bit more.
Yeah, it would deflect it. Yeah, by no means is it like the size of this windshield's gonna really protect anything else, but I am trying to be less wind resistance, if you will.
Good. Lost my voice when I said it. It was like, good. I just hit puberty.
I thought that you had a bump and maybe it hit your nutsack, and that's like, oh, good.
Yeah. This road does have some bumps in it.
It's a little bit different riding because before I didn't have anything there. I could totally see the road, and it's, you know,
Now you see
and
it.
I'm a little bit bulkier in front now, you know?
Yeah. But it should actually deflect some stuff if anything comes stinging, you know.
Yeah.
Not major. It's not as big as mine, but, you know, nobody's
Maybe
is.
I won't get hit by it. What was that?
I said it was not as big as mine, but nobody's is. Yeah, I went right over the head.
Yeah, I totally did. Especially my helmet looks really good with the little fan on the back.
Oh my god, man. That
Okay.
fucking... all I see is that glow of that behind you.
That guy was all banging his head. Did you see that?
Say what?
The guy was all banging his head.
Banging
So,
his head?
Yeah, he was like, yeah, like he wanted you to, you know, step on the gas.
acknowledge him? I
Yeah,
didn't see
step on
him.
the gas a little bit. Yeah, he was getting in his car. He was all like this, like, yeah, right, you know? I think I have to go ahead or what? I guess we do, huh? I need to get a new exhaust system on my bike.
You want me to put my sausage on your bike?
Yeah, I'd love to have that.
I will if you want me to, but
I would like you to.
I thought it was Mr. Sexy. I mean, that's kind of,
Well,
you know, pushing the limits here.
he might go both ways, you know.
If you want me to, I could do what you need, you know? It doesn't have nothing going in my butt, I'm okay.
You're clearly the man in the relationship, I see.
Yeah, right? How you doing?
Hey.
Hey is for horse.
Oh, God.
Jet skis, huh?
Yeah.
We've been talking jet skis. It's always a good thing when you start talking jet skis. Do you want us to be out on jet skis?
Right?
Give us a lot of likes if you want us out on jet skis.
Oh, yeah.
The more likes we get, the bigger the chance we're going to be maybe getting jet skis.
How many likes do you need to be able to do that?
A what?
How many likes do you need to be able to get jet skis?
Oh, a lot. Yeah, I...